I started off as a musician, and then I became a computer musician. Oh wait, first I was nothing, then a musician, then a computer musician, and somehow turned into an industrial designer and an engineer by merit of trying to get deeper into computer music. It's maybe the late 90s, learned how to program. I could realize that I could make any sound I wanted with computer, but I couldn't get my hands inside the computer to perform it like an instrument. So the first and most lasting idea was to basically have this grid, which is completely open-ended, because like a computer that can be reprogrammable, I wanted an interface that could change itself really, really quickly. Didn't know how to build anything, so went to Michael's craft store and bought a bunch of sticks and a bunch of hot glue, and literally made something that was, tentatively held together and would, break in the middle of a performance. But it seems to resonate really well, in the community in Los Angeles where I was performing a lot. Eventually, other people wanted them, and so I had to figure out how to, make more than one that held together. I proposed the idea of starting a company to some friends I knew that had money, and I didn't have any money because I went to art school. But everyone turned me down because we wanted to produce everything domestically, and we wanted to have everything be open source, because this idea of a device that does nothing, you kind of need to understand all of the guts in order to make it do the thing you want it to do. So we made them, and people came. This was a new thing for the music industry, and we really pioneered the grid interface. And over the last 6 years, you'll start to see these proliferate. DJs still use turntables, but typically now they have a whole array of gear, and typically a grid is somewhere in there. So I'm going to be playing a bunch of music throughout the conference, and I hope you enjoy some of it, and I hope that I remember how to make music and not just design and program stuff. So.